Good morning, class. This is our science period. Children, in our last class, we have done composition of air and what are the different importance of air. Children, in this class, we are going to learn that how air maintains the cool in coastal area. How air maintains the temperature, maintains cool temperature in coastal area. To understand this thing, you have to understand sea breeze and land breeze. And before you understand this breeze, sea breeze and land breeze, I want to ask you simple question. What is this breeze, children? This breeze is air only. Breeze means air only. When we say breeze means cool and smoothing air that everybody loves. Yes, children. How does it work? How does sea breeze and land breeze work? To understand this thing, you should know this. You should know this that land gets easily heated in comparison to water. Land gets easily heated in comparison to water because water and land have different heating abilities. Water and land are having different heating abilities. Water takes more time to heat up and is able to retain its heat with itself for longer time. Whereas land easily gets heated and it easily cools down. But water takes a lot of time to getting heat up and it takes a lot of time to cool down. Is it clear, children? So during the day, this sea breeze helps to maintain temperature in coastal area. Okay, so this sea breeze, that means air which is coming from seaside, Is it clear, children? When we say sea breeze, that means air which is coming from seaside. This much is clear. How? Now understand this thing. As we all know, children, as we just discussed that the land gets heated up quickly. The lands get heated up quickly. So as a result, air above the land also warms up faster. Or gets easily heated. Okay, why? Because land gets heated easily or quickly. Yes, children. So as a result, the air above the land is also warm. And we all know that warm air is lighter than cold air. Warm air is lighter than cold air. So children, what happens? Warm air starts raising up. Warm air starts raising up and it moves towards sea. Yes, warm air and the cold air from the seaside. The cold air from the seaside takes a place which is empty. And how it is empty? Because hot air moves up. So children, you got it? That cool air which is coming from seaside, it is taking place which is empty. Here. How this place is empty? As warm air rises up. So children, this chain will go on. And this because warm air is moving towards sea. And cold air from sea is moving towards land. So the cold air which is moving, the cold air or we can say cold breeze which is moving towards land maintains cool temperature in coastal area. And this warm air which is coming on the sea, above the sea, basically above the sea, it cools down here and again it comes here. This chain is keep on working. Okay, cold air to land, and from land hot air will be moving towards the sea. This much is clear, children. This is how sea breeze work, and this is how sea breeze maintains the cool in coastal area. This is clear? Children, just now we have discussed that how sea breeze maintains cool temperature in coastal area during the daytime. We have discussed that how sea breeze maintains temperature cool in coastal area during the daytime. Now we will see how the same responsibility is fulfilled by land breeze. How the same responsibility which is taken by sea breeze during the daytime is now it will be fulfilled by land breeze. Now the land breeze will be taking same responsibility but in night. Now it's land breeze responsibility to maintain cool temperature here in coastal area. Is it clear, children? To understand this thing, just remember the same old point that water and land both are having different heating abilities. Water takes much more time in comparison to land to get heated, and it also retain its warmth with itself for a long time. Yes, whereas land quickly heated up and it also quickly cools down. So children, during the night time or at night, the land quickly loses its heat, while the sea retains its warmth. The sea still remains its warmth. The sea is still hot. Okay, water is hot in the sea. So the air above the sea, as a result, the air above the sea is also hot. So it starts rising up. So the air above the sea starts rising up and it moves towards land. It moves towards land. You can see, children, here. And land is cool. So the land breeze, the cool breeze which is coming from the land side, start taking place, which is left by the air above the sea. Okay, children. Now you can see the same circle. The cool breeze moving towards the sea and the hot air above the sea is moving towards the land. This is how land breeze maintains temperature in coastal area. Maintains temperature in coastal area. The breeze, it is coming from land side. That is why it is known as land breeze. Is it clear? Land breeze works in night and sea breeze works in morning. Sea breeze, a breeze which is coming from the seaside. Land breeze which is coming from the land side. Okay, and both sea breeze and land breeze fulfill same responsibility. And what is that responsibility, children? To maintain temperature, to maintain the temperature in the coastal area. How it is maintaining the temperature? It is maintaining cool temperature in coastal area. Is it clear, children? So I believe land breeze and sea breeze is clear to you all. So this is all for today, class. Thank you for listening. Stay blessed.